Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make soup fast. First, let's get organized. Before you even turn on the stove, gather all your ingredients. This is called mise en place, and it saves so much time. Next, chop your vegetables into small, uniform pieces. Smaller pieces cook much quicker, often in just 5 to 7 minutes. You can also use pre-cut vegetables from the grocery store for an even faster start. Now let's talk about cooking quickly. Start by sautéing your aromatics like onions and garlic over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until fragrant. Then, add your liquids. Using hot broth or water from a kettle significantly reduces the time it takes for the soup to come to a simmer. For protein, consider pre-cooked options such as a shredded rotisserie chicken, which only needs to be warmed through. To boost flavor quickly, consider adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste or 1 teaspoon of dried herbs early in the cooking process. Once your vegetables are tender, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes, stir in quick-cooking pasta or rice if you want a heartier soup. These usually cook in under 8 minutes. Finally, finish with a squeeze of lemon juice and fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for a bright, fresh taste. For even more time-saving hacks, always keep frozen vegetables in your freezer. They are already chopped and cook very quickly. Consider making a large batch of your favorite soup and freezing individual portions. This way, you have a homemade meal ready in minutes. If you own a pressure cooker, it can reduce cooking times by up to 2/3, making soup in as little as 10 to 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.